Hi, my name is Christy with Parkway Sleep, and you have chosen the Rio 2 pillow style mask from React Health. This mask is the most minimal available, and it is very comfortable as well. The mask itself is comprised of 3 different pieces. Your pillow that snaps off, and this is the piece that you will wash daily, everything else once a week. But this is a silicone malleable piece around the piece of the frame, and it just fits on. And the way that you know that you have it correct is with it in its natural position. The pillows are still tilted slightly up to go along with the pressure of the natural curvature of the nasal cavity. You have 2 adjustment Velcro pieces on each side, and of course we do recommend to fit the mask on looking in the mirror for the first time and then adjust accordingly. So putting on the mask. It's a little too big for me right now. It's pulling away from my face. So then you'll take your 2 Velcro pieces, one in each hand, and at the same time pull back ever so slightly until it feels snug. And the way that you know that your pillow is fitted correctly is it doesn't go all the way in, but just has a lip around each nostril. And you do have the headgear splayed in the back for overall security while sleeping. When you're ready to use the machine, you'll take your end of the tubing and connect to your big tubing on your hose. And you wiggle it on, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and then you will wiggle it off, taking the 2. The only thing about this mask is that if this little gray piece right here comes off, it's going to get stuck in your big tube. So keep a lookout for that. But that just naturally slides back on. Take the mask back off, and this is good to go.